So you have a limited company, but it's had very, very little activity going on. In fact, no activity, but you still need to file those dormant accounts to Companies House. How do you do it? Well, I'm going to show you in this video.
All limited companies registered at Companies House need to file accounts regardless of whether or not they are trading. For companies dormant since incorporation, the simplest way to file accounts is using the web filing service. This demo is intended as a guide only, so please ensure that when you file your accounts, you use your actual company's information and figures. Once you have signed in, you will see an overview of your company. Check the next accounts made up to date matches the made up date of the accounts you are filing. If you need to change this date by more than 7 days, simply click the Change Accounting Reference Date link. You will need to wait for confirmation that your reference date has been changed before submitting your accounts. If the date is correct, select the File Company Accounts button. On the Choose Your Account screen, select the Dormant Company Accounts option. Ensure that your company can file this accounts type by reading the conditions. Then click the File Dormant Company Accounts button. The balance sheet is automatically pre-populated with the expected made-up date for the accounts. You can change this date up to 7 days either side. You can now select the required currency and complete the relevant fields. Enter the current and previous year's figures. If your company is submitting its first year accounts, only the current period will be displayed. Leave the fields blank or enter a 0 if there are no figures available. Do not enter any other digits or punctuation, such as a dash. Net assets will total automatically. Additional help can be found by clicking any of the green information icons. Now enter details of the number of shares issued, type of share, by either typing in your share class or clicking Select and choose one from the list. Then enter the value. To confirm the company is eligible to submit dormant accounts, check the statements. Read the balance sheet note and only tick if the company has acted on behalf of someone. Enter the date the accounts were approved. And provide the name of at least one director. If you're happy that all the information is correct, then click Validate and Continue. Review the accounts you've prepared. If you need to make corrections, then go back. Or if everything is okay, select Print Copy of Data for your records. And then click Confirm and Submit. Make a note of the submission number in case you have a query. You will then receive 2 emails. The first to inform that the accounts have been received, and a second to say that they have been accepted or rejected. That's it. You can now log out.
And until next time, my name is Simon Mashevich from Optimised Accountants. I shall see you again soon.